Lokuvakasha-ke kwendvuna kuyo le nkampani ye-Union Papers lapha-ke kumathapha bekade kusiqinisekise ukuthi nangemambala-ke saphindze-ke ayakhiwa wona-ke emakhathoni lapha-ke eveni lakangwane kulandzela ukuthi-ke inkampani Switzerland Paper Mills yavalwa-ke eminyakeni lelishumi nakune. Kanti-ke somabhizinisi Karim Ashraf yena-ke ubese uyavela swayivula-ke le nkampani nakuphela wona-ke umnyaka-ke lophelile. Kanti-ke kunyalo le nkampani-ke iyawakhicita-ke emakhathoni kufaka-ke lokunye-ke lokunengi lokuhambisana nalo-ke liphepha.
Sive-ke sitawukhumbula ukuthi nga-2020 sasukuma isahlelo lesithiwa i-post-COVID-19 Economic Recovery Plan. Le nkampani lena ngilenye lebeyishito ukuthi sifuna kubuyela sivule. So lamhla-ke siyajabula lokhu ukubona ukuthi nembala vele sebayasebenta sebavulile. Njalo nje sebabhizi bakha lama-cardbox laba thengiselako tinkampani letinengi lakangwane nase-South Africa. Phase 2 bafuna kwakha i-toilet paper. Sesibonile lapho abantu abakha khona sebavele basakhile lesakhiwo.
Umphathi wale nkampani lokunguye Karim Ashraf uthi-ke yena-ke uyathokota ukuthi-ke akwadi ukuthi aphindze-ke afuse le bhizinisi kuphindze-ke icashe wona-ke emaswati. Wathi-ke lokhu umthukutisako ngaleli hlobo lebhizinisi kuthi lokhu labakusebenzisako yindvu-ke labayithathako seyisebentile phecelezi i-recycling.
The product this I'm making craft paper, which is mainly 100% used for boxes. Now people are going back to the natural fiber instead of plastic. So the demand for boxes, the wood product is quadruple, more than 50 times now. And it will grow because people are not going back to the byproduct of oil or petroleum or anything. So this thing is the future. Because what we are doing now at the moment, instead of making and cutting the trees, we are recycling the already made cardboard which they have used it before. We are recycling it, refurbishing it, putting some starch for elasticity and bringing it back to the market.
Somabhizinisi wale nkampani-ke uvetile ukuthi kubabiteke imali enganga-70 million emalangeni kuthi-ke le nkampani-ke ivulwe. Waphindze waveta ukuthi kungakapheli lo mnyaka le nkampani-ke batayichuma. Etindzabeni temsakato iMaswati Channel, ngingigary Khalus ngumathapha.